So here's how you can cash out PayPal on Temu. So as you can see here, I've personally withdrawn about $30 so far to my PayPal with about $200 more to come. And you can do the same too if you become an affiliate for Temu. By becoming an affiliate for Temu, you can earn some extra money simply by inviting people over to Temu, and if they download the app, you'll get a $5 bonus reward. And on top of that, a hefty 30% commission if the person you've invited had bought something on Temu over the last 30 days. So here's how you can do the same right now. Firstly, you need to be a Temu affiliate first. You can do so by clicking on my link down below in the description or comment section, and it should bring you over to the affiliate page. Click right here to sign up to become an affiliate, as it will take you literally less than 5 minutes. Once you're done, it will bring you to the affiliate dashboard. There are ways that you can earn money on Temu, which I'll be showing you later, so you can cash out those amazing cash rewards and bonuses. But basically, when you reach a certain amount of commission, you'll be able to click this button right here and key in your PayPal info, and the money should be sent straight away to your PayPal. It is simply as simple as that. But of course, before cashing out to PayPal, you first need to know how to actually earn money on Temu in the first place. Otherwise, well, you won't have anything to cash out on. So let me show you how it's done. Firstly, you can share these links and codes to the people you know or online, and they will get things like a $100 coupon bundle and 30% discounts, which in turn you'll be able to gain commissions as well. Another way to earn money is the ranking race, where you compete against other people in terms of who can earn the most commission and get bonus cash every 3 days. How much you get depends on the ranking you are on at the end of the 3-day race cycle. For example, first place gets a bonus $200 and second place will get a bonus $100, and so. Now the third way for you to earn money in Temu is simply via the referral race. The more people you have using your link to download Temu, the higher your reward will be depending on the milestone you are at, and the bonus will keep on going higher and higher every single milestone, which is insane. Of course, there are many other options for you to earn on Temu as an affiliate, and I have a ton of guides already on Temu, so go ahead and check them out if you want to maximize your profit on Temu. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll try my best to help you out as much as I can.